If you are experiencing those cute, fuzzy, wuzzy little bunnies eating your vegetables in your garden bed, well, here's a helpful tip to help stop that problem. So enjoy the video! Well, hello. I'm going to teach you how to make your own organic rabbit repellent so they don't get back into your garden beds. And you're going to need 5 things. You're going to need an empty milk carton, 5 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of crushed red peppers, 1 gallon of water, and 1 tablespoon of dish soap. And what you do is put all your ingredients into the milk jug, shake it up, let it brew for a couple days in the hot sun, apply that into your spray bottle, and apply it to your plants, and it'll help eliminate the rabbits. But what you also need to do, if it rains, reapply it. In the comments box, let me know if this works for you. I just want to take time out to say thank you for watching this video. You have a great day. Bye.